Welcome to today's Cothern Cards pack opening. Today we're opening a draft booster pack of Core 2021. If you like these videos, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe for future pack opening videos. Today we have a Showcase Garruk's Uprising, Eliminate, Return to Nature, Roaming Ghostlight, Dub, Swift Response, Portcullis Vine, Showcase Liliana Steward, Opt, Revitalize, Thrill of Possibility, Cancel, Angel Token, Tavern Swindler, Showcase Mountain, and a Temple of Malady. That's it for today's Cothern Cards pack opening. Hit the like button to help out the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more pack opening videos.